This video introduces a fresh take on the classic Supertrend indicator enhanced with machine learning to analyze not just market trends, but also market volatility. We'll walk you through how this upgraded indicator works and how you can integrate it into your trading strategy. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like the video. Let's dive in. To start, head over to TradingView. Once you've loaded your favorite trading asset, open the indicator search bar and type in machine learning adaptive Supertrend. Make sure to select the version created by Chart Prime. You're probably already familiar with the traditional Supertrend indicator, which identifies bullish and bearish market trends while also giving buy and sell signals. Now you might wonder what sets this new indicator apart. The answer is machine learning. But what exactly does that mean here? This indicator uses a technique called K-means clustering, which classifies market volatility into 3 levels: high, medium, and low. By incorporating these classifications, the Supertrend adapts more effectively to fluctuating volatility. Here's a table that breaks it down. High volatility corresponds to cluster number 3, medium is cluster 2, and low is cluster 1. On the chart, candles are labeled with these numbers based on the detected volatility. For example, a candle marked with a 3 indicates high volatility and active market conditions, while a 1 represents calmer, low volatility conditions. In the indicator settings, the first option you'll see is the ATR length. Like the traditional Supertrend, this one also uses the average true range ATR. To better understand how different volatility levels relate to ATR values, check out the cluster centroid values in the table. For instance, cluster 3 high volatility typically has an ATR value of 0.35 over the last 100 bars. Cluster 2 medium volatility averages around 0.3, and cluster 1 low volatility sits at 0.25. Why only 100 bars? That's the default look back period for the indicator's training data. This value is adjustable in the settings if you want a broader or narrower range. Using the past 100 bars as an example, cluster 3 occurred 47 times, cluster 2 appeared 26 times, and cluster 1 came up 27 times. When using this tool, it's crucial to weigh both the volatility level and cluster size. Ideally, you'll want to focus on the highest volatility level with the largest cluster size. For example, if cluster 3 high volatility has the smallest cluster size, avoid making decisions based on it. Instead, please wait until it's the largest cluster before moving forward. The table also conveniently displays the current volatility level at a glance. The rest of the indicator's features are pretty intuitive. You'll see a trending cloud that shifts between green for bullish trends and red for bearish ones. During trend transitions, the indicator shows green and red labels green when switching to bullish and red for bearish. These labels can double as buy and sell signals, which we'll explore shortly. Trending now, let's check out the settings. The ATR length controls the ATR calculation period, while the Supertrend factor acts as a multiplier for the Supertrend formula. The training data length defines the look-back period for historical data. The percentile values here are starting points for clustering and can be tweaked to see how they affect the signals. You can also customize the indicator's colors and appearance. For trend identification, let's set the Supertrend factor to 8. In the Style tab, disable everything except the first 2 plot options. Then click OK, zoom out on the chart, and you'll see how setting the Supertrend factor to 8 highlights longer-term trends. If you're using this for trend identification, this setup makes it easy to spot clear bullish or bearish trends. Now let's talk about using this as a buy-sell signal generator. To do that, we'll add the same indicator to the chart again. Here's how to take a long position, confirm the market is bullish using the first Supertrend as a trend filter. Spot a pullback, look for a red label from the second Supertrend indicator, followed immediately by a green label. This signals a potential pullback. Verify that the green labeled candle has a cluster number 3 indicating high volatility. Also, make sure cluster 3 has the largest cluster size over the last 100 bars. If all these conditions are met, take the long position. Place your stop loss where the trending cloud of the second Supertrend would typically be right above the green label. Set your take profit at 1.5 times the risk. Let the trade run. And you'll see it can yield solid results. For a short position, the steps are similar. Confirm the market is bearish using the first Supertrend. Spot a pullback by finding a green label from the second Supertrend followed by a red label. Ensure the red labeled candle has a cluster number 3 with the largest cluster size. Enter the short trade, place your stop loss at the bottom of the red label. And set the take profit at 1.5 times the risk. Let the trade run and you'll see it's also effective.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext.
The Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend Indicator by Algolfa is a game changer for traders seeking an advanced adaptive tool for trend detection and volatility analysis. Add it to your TradingView toolkit to make your trading more precise and efficient. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.